Hi, this is Brent DeMartini here at DeMartini RV, and we just got in this 2021 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 339DS. This is a new line that we're carrying from Coachmen, and we just posted a video on our 365 RB. You can check that out on our YouTube channel. But I just wanted to talk about this new brand, and we are very excited to have it because it's the most affordable diesel pusher on the market, and you would not believe the features that this comes with. So why don't you come check it out and see what's good about this RV. So this 339DS has a shorter diesel pusher, but it still has a lot of features, including a 340 horse Cummins. So that has 700 foot-pounds of torque. That's the Cummins ISB 6.7 with the Allison 2100. So compared to the competitors, even higher priced motorhomes, that is the higher horsepower rating for an entry-level diesel pusher. So you can get a lot of power out of a short coach. And if you look, this is a very nice looking RV. With the outside, you have aluminum bins, which open very nicely. You can see your 2000 watt inverter in there from Xantrex. Diesel exhaust fluid. There's a air line there for you to connect your air, fill up your tires while the engine's running. There's a storage compartment. Look at this, they do an exterior TV from Jensen. That one right there is a pass-through up top. Plenty of storage in this short motorhome because they have kind of a raised basement going on here and taller doors, so it's easy to get your stuff in and out. And here we have dual fuel fills for your 90-gallon fuel tank, one on either side. They do the pet window that you can see there, or the passenger can just see where you're at on the white line. One more storage compartment there on this side. And here's the front, very attractive looking front cap. Let me get the hood release here. It's got the 6,000 watt Onan Cummins diesel generator on a slide out. Up front here we have our hydraulic pump for the 4-point automatic leveling jacks, as well as some chassis wiring with fuses there. These doors are very easy to operate. There's the other side of your pass-through. They make it nice and easy to access your water pump and do some winterizing there. Another pass-through there. Here's your wet bay, nice, neat, clean, organized, and has a black tank flush. There's your batteries. They do 4 6-volt house batteries, as well as 2 chassis batteries, and they put it all in the same compartment as the propane to save space. And there's your 50 amp power cord with a automatic transfer switch, and then a battery cutoff there with access to your air filter. A very attractive rear cap here with a rear ladder, and you have an 8,000 pound hitch for towing whatever you need to bring with you. Here's the inside of the new 339DS. This floor plan just came out. There's reclining theater seats that are right across from an up-high television. So this was a good idea that Coachmen had, to put the TV up high and still get a lot of storage behind it. And you also have a window that's there all the time. So if you're sitting here eating breakfast or whatever, you can still see what's going on if people are watching the TV from across the way. And you still do get a really good amount of storage in here. and you have these side cabinets as well. This coach has got kind of a light, airy feel to it, more of a modern look, and it's really nice. We have Corian countertops here. One of the few diesel pushers that still does an actual oven, so that you don't have to actually have 110 power to run your oven. So if you want to cook something nice and slow, you can just use the propane on this oven down here. You've got a 3-burner stove. And even though we have an oven, this microwave up here is still a convection. And it's really big, so you have a lot of room in there to do some cooking as well. And we have also an overhead cabinet, a good amount of counter space, a little extra there, and some outlets that you can just pull up there, or USBs. And one big farm style sink with 2 covers so that you can still have some counter space while you're using half of the sink on either side. And then we've also got soft close drawers and a residential fridge. So a lot of room in there. And you also have an ice maker. Overhead cabinet that's deep the whole depth of the fridge. We have a lot of storage in this coach. There's all those. And don't forget, we also have spice rack pantry here. And some more down there. All right, moving on, we have a door here, a pocket door that will close off the entire rear of the coach, including the bathroom. And we have a pocket door on the other side of the coach, so we don't actually have to use the toilet door to shut either one off. There's your bathroom. You have a vanity here with storage there. And 3 cabinets down below. And this shower is pretty big. It's a 1-piece fiberglass shower with a glass door. And moving on, we have our bedroom back here. So as you can see, that bed is on a slide, so it gets way out of the way, and you have a lot of floor space here. That is a king bed. And we have drawers, counter space, and a lot of hanging space as well. So if you wanted to add a washer dryer in there, you could. Or you could keep it for more hanging space. All right, here's the front of this diesel pusher, and so since we have a mid-entry door on this diesel pusher, that gives us a lot of room up here for the passenger, and there's your pet window. Also, you have a space to put a table in here if you need for a workstation, and you can also turn these seats around and put a table there in the middle if you need to have an extra table. But lots of room here and good visibility up front. We also have our camera screen right here. So we've got a 3-camera system. We've got the sides and the rear, and also your radio on there. Nice, easy to use interface that has Sirius XM as well, or Apple CarPlay. We also have our USB ports and all of our switches for the dash here. And this is on the new Freightliner with the OmniView digital display. So all of our gauges and stuff are going to be right here on this digital display, and that all comes up when you turn on the key. And also with this new platform, they make everything really user-friendly. So here we've got this shift lever that controls your engine brake as well as your shifting and your drive and reverse. all on one stick there. And turn signals and wipers and everything else are on the left stick, and it's just really nice and easy to use. And then over here we've got our mirrors, our horn, auxiliary start, and our electronic leveling system. This coach has a electric bunk up front that has plenty of room. All right, here's the coach with the slides in, so you can see just how much room there is when you're going down the road. And it's nice and easy to see that there's quite a bit of room here. You can have people sitting down and you can still get by them and get to everything you need to in the kitchen. You can also open the fridge. Let me open that back up. You open the fridge, get to anything in there. And the bathroom is just as accessible as it was before because there's no slide right there. But also another important part is that this bed doesn't have to tilt or fold to get the slide in, and you can still have full access to it while going down the road if you need to take a nap. Okay, you guys, that's about it for the 2021 Sportscoach SRS 339DS. So thanks for following with us on this video. And if you have any questions, including if you need a price, give me an email at brent@demartini.com or call me at 1-800-576-1921. Thanks for watching.